Chainsaws weren't invented for cutting trees. They were invented for childbirth. In the late 1700s, doctors needed a faster way to help during dangerous births. So in Scotland, an early chainsaw was created to widen the pelvic bone and remove diseased bone, long before engines and logging. Only in the 1900s did chainsaws move from hospitals to forests. One of the scariest medical tools became a tool for cutting trees. History is wild, right? Did you know this before? Comment yes or no. Like, share, and subscribe for more unknown facts.